Hi everyone! Today we are going to look at reported speech. So you'll learn how to report statements, questions, commands and requests, tense backshift, pronoun and time changes, advanced reporting verbs, and common exam mistakes. Alright, so let's get started. We use reported speech when we report what someone said without using their exact words. For example, you would say directly, "I'm tired." But when you report it, you would say, "She said she was tired." We usually move the tense one step into the past. This is called backshift. Pronouns must match the perspective in the sentence. Think about who said it and who we are talking about next. When the referent point changes, time and place words also shift. When reporting statements, we use the verbs say or tell in the past simple. Say doesn't normally include a person unless we use to. Tell must include a listener. When reporting yes or no questions, change the question to a normal statement. Use if or whether. We do not use do, does, or did in the reported question. For WH questions, we keep the question word, but we remove the question word order. Instead of always using say or tell, start using these verbs for high-level writing and speaking. Great job, everybody. I hope this was helpful. Leave your comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to the revision station for more grammar videos. Okay, bye-bye.